Hello. Okay, cool. For a second, audio was not working. Okie dokie. That's going. That's going. I need those to be on. Hello, and welcome to Mellow Labs Live. We should be live. We are live. Close that. Close that. Hello, Pyro. Something. Okay.
Hello.
So, I'm working on the script. I stupidly started working on it way too late. So I realized that, so I decided, you know what, I'm doing it. I'm just gonna use your script from now on. So I started, converting stuff, and then I realized, like, oh, my entire database is not in JSON.
Pyro.
So I know
Said. Audio is low.
audio is low.
Pyro. Said. PC audio asterisk.
PC audio is low. Okay, so that would be text to speech. Okay, I can turn that up. So I'm having to translate. I forget what I forgot the database I was using before. SQLite. SQL into my favorite JSON. I tried getting technology to do it for me, but technology is very stupid. I got very worried because I wasn't sure what that was, but that is my pill dispenser, giving me the correct amount of pills. Let me grab my water bottle and take my pills. %80 of the time, it works every time. Okay. So, I do want to run the script. However, I don't have... Yeah, I can't run... I don't... Even if I pressed go on the script now, that wouldn't work because I currently... Well, I've migrated the secrets, so that's all in JSON now. Lovely, that's done. I've made sure that the keys are up to date and everything. However, the data DB is not. Yeah, I'm trying. I need to convert the database to the thing. Hold on. Let's open new tab. AI. Let's get AI to do it. AI. GPT. Let's use high logic GPT. Come on. Oh my god, it's not that hard. I'm just asking you to open a folder. Wait, are you going to be able to... That's fingers crossed. We need data.db and database.
Magvisp. Said. I've got high hopes for this stream. I have a broken printer sitting next to me on my desk and I'm hoping you'll inspire me to find a fix. No pressure, winking smiley.
Right, well, I encourage you to read the stream title again. We will not be fixing it. We will most likely be salvaging a singular button. Hold on, I'm still working on this script. Convert the data.db file into the JSON format. Let's give it the bare minimum information and expect the highest quality of work. Reasoning. Okay, the task is to convert the data.db into the JSON format. The DB, okay, I think it understands. I think. I I noticed you uploaded 2 files that are named data.json and okay, correct. The is already in the JSON format. Did you want to convert the SQL database? Yes. Yes, please convert the SQL database into the JSON format. I did say I gave it the bare minimum amount of information. Come on, come on, come on. I know you can do this. I know you can do this. I believe in you. Maybe we are still safe. What? To convert the SQL database to revolt. Oh. Okay, so it didn't do it. I think it might be easier if I just run my script. Because I think it works. I will save this and I will simply run my script. And it will work. Fingers crossed. And then we will get to the 2D printed disassembly. Open this. Okay. Script is running. We are absolutely not giving it the correct stream name. I don't have the stream. I need you. I need to put you in here. I need to save you. That's going to crash the script, so we're going to reload the script because, listen, this is a lot of work. Okay, let's go to the site again, and hopefully it will work. Okay, wait, let's test the sounds. Sounds work. However, bubbles did not work. Why did bubbles not work? I'm also excited for bubbles. I can confirm the bubble machine does work. I mean, it works, but it's... Oh, okay. I had to purge the tube. I think I just changed the Home Assistant key, which would be a very me thing to do right before the stream. Copy. Pasty. Completely the wrong thing. Okay, fantastic. Let's undo that, undo that. Okay, let's just copy everything from here and just paste everything from here in here. What? Am I broken? Huh? Copy, paste. For some reason, copy paste just did not want to work. Please work, please work, please work, please work. Okay, script running. No. Applause work. Does secrets? I believe that's the correct stream. Home Assistant. Wait, did my home? No. That should be all good. Oh, we got a blackboard error. That's somewhat good. Oh dear. Well, nothing has changed. Everything is still broken. Welcome to the stream, everybody. I'm trying to... Nothing ever works. Why? What did I do to deserve this? The answer is not preparing. The answer is not preparing. I had hours of time to prepare. Instead, I decided to learn how a carburetor works from Smarter Every Day. So really, it's destined to blame for all of this. Right, Home Assistant access token. Paste. This, hold on. Okay. Save. App. Run. Please work. I swear if you
Pyro
don't work.
said, I got my Spotlight storage working yesterday, and I will try to steal the grid select from that to use in the Clarkboard editor.
Fantastic. Okay. Blackboard JSON broken. The LED is and LED plaque Blackboard IP not right. Did I? I think. Did we change the Blackboard IP name at some point? We did. Okay. That's annoying. One more time. One more time. It will work, and it will work perfectly. User test level does not require access level I'm not allowed to test the bubble machine because my user level is regular. But I think that means it should work with chat, right? Right? Please. If it works, I'm closing tabs and I'm walking away. That worked. Switch trigger error 401. At least we got a good error. Error 401 is, I think, access denied, right? Why is my Home Assistant denying access? Stop denying access. Right. Making a list, checking it twice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Okay. I've updated the stream, the Home Assistant access token. I've refreshed the script. It should work. I still don't have permission to do it. Okay, 17 minutes of troubleshooting. And hopefully it will work. Why are you writing? Okay, that works. That's good. That's very hopeful. You can't see that. There we go. Okay. Can we bubbles?
Test.
Bubbles, 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 bubbles. Yes! 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 It only took 18 minutes. But it works. Fantastic. Everybody like the stream. Please. Okay, we can now get to the main show. Disassembling a 3D printer. Right, let's put my script over there so I can see when it crashes. Let's close this folder. Let's close that because I don't need that. Let's move OBS here. And let's put my streams chat here. Fantastic. After months of work, we have made it to the main attraction. This is a terrible place to put my camera. Camera, can you, like, actually, can you? Keep me in the middle. We should be good. Okay. Oh no.
Pyro said, the delay is so long here.
I know, I'm sorry. I don't know how to fix it. YouTube just be like that. Oh, I like it when there is some kind of live matter in here. Some form of cocoon or something. I don't know. It's been in the cupboard for a very long time.
It's probably a moth.
And before that it was outside. So hopefully no creepy crawlies come crawling out. Right. I'm looking for screws, but I don't see any. Let's, should we check if it works? I don't. How do I? Oh, it's like a front-loading one. Does this open? It's got a handle here as if it opens, but I don't think it opens. Oh, that opens. Okay, ace. Ink. I don't think that's in the right position to,
Maximum Bombastic
Hello, Max.
said, I was not mentally prepared for a stream tonight. Are
Yeah.
we back in business? Good to see you.
It depends what you mean back in business. I mean, I'm still a little slow. I'm behind on video. So, I've been streaming more on Twitch. And apparently some people prefer it on Twitch because the delay is much better. But, yeah, somewhat back in business. The script is running. All of the commands are working. So that's good. You can even move my desk. Unless I disabled it. I don't think I disabled it. I will enable it if it's disabled. It's enabled. We should be all good. So whatever you guys want to do, You can do. In a way, I am back in business. How do I want to plug this in? I kind of want to plug this in just to find out. Thank you, Pyro. And now I have to move all my cameras.
Pyro said, just wanted to test it, haha.
You didn't have to send it all the way down to test it. What's up? You look so worried.
Your picture moved.
My what?
Your picture.
Oh. Oh well. Uh-oh, we got an error. What did we get? Huh? 503. Why did we get a 503 error? I mean, it worked. It sent the table down. Weird. Okay, well, like I said, now I have to move the camera down. And hopefully that one will fall on my face when I click this button. 10 out of 10. Now I can sit down. It's plugged in. Let's turn it on. I've not tested if this works yet. So, where's the on button? Oh. It was hiding. Ooh, it might actually work. What does that screen say? Power was turned off. The current time press.
Clark
Okay.
reward. The turning off got the 503 error.
Huh. Weird. Okay. Okay. The time is wrong. Ooh, it's got like a whole interface. We can do a scan. Using the buttons to... Oh. That's some amazing user interface right there. You have buttons here to control left and right, and there's a menu system that wants you to go left and right. But you can't use these buttons to go through the menu system. You have to use these ones. How good is that? And then let me guess, you have to use these ones to flick through the options. Wow, that is some Ace Cannon web design. What are you? Auto scan. Okay. Auto scan. Auto scan. Okay. Oh, I need to press that one. Set the PC to start. I don't think I have a cable to plug this in. Local scan, local PC, USB. Yeah, I don't have this plugged into USB. Does this have Wi-Fi? It has micro SD. Can we chuck an SD card at the problem? Memory card inserted. Reading saved data. I don't think it found anything. Okay, can we do that? Photo, document, auto scan. I don't think we can actually save. How do I? Oh, okay. So to select the mode, you have to use these buttons, but to go up and down in the menu, you have to use these buttons. Whoever designed this, there's a place in hell for you. That is a horrific user interface. Access point detected. Connecting to access point. Yeah, I don't really want to do that. I don't really want to have to configure Wi-Fi on a printer. It might work. But we'll never know. we will simply start disassembling. And if we come across any capacitors, remind me that they might be charged. Thank you. Thank you for that. Just gonna preemptively adjust my camera. It's gonna go all the way up. I don't think this camera's gonna be... No, not in my tea. Oh, there's nothing in it. That's fine. Okay, cool. Fine.
howdoiusethis said, "Welcome back to the late 90s cell phone navigation with soft key selection LOL."
Yes. Okay, are we... Do we want to connect? Do we want to print something? Do I have paper? I don't think I have paper. I have paper somewhere. I think there might be paper... I don't know. I'll let you guys vote. Do you want me to struggle and try to connect? Is that that's broken? I'm pretty sure that's broken. Or, better yet, I could just find a USB cable.
Pyro said, "Full desk range tested."
Thank you for that.
Redstone Crafting said, "Does text to speak work?"
Yes.
Abdulrahman Sheikh said, "Hello, I am Abdulrahman."
Hello, Abdulrahman. Thank you for coming. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, this has a caboose that you can just like unplug and just like take out its caboose. We haven't. Nobody's decided whether we're trying to print something out of it or not. Do I have that cable? Oh, I have that cable, but it's probably buried somewhere. Please don't.
Maverick said, "Let's take it apart and see if it can play Doom." Get Lifty said, "Place your bets now, will Mello get ink everywhere by the end of the stream?"
No. I have good news. I have found the cable for this printer. How convenient is that?
Pyro said, "Paper jam in tray 1."
Indeed. Okay, so let's turn that back on. Oh, I didn't plug it
Redstone
in.
Crafting said, "Can an employee watching hearing Mello say he belongs in hell?"
I don't say any Canon employee. Just the one that designed this interface. Because this shit's stupid. Okay. Printer on.
That's on for you, isn't it?
This one is, yes. But if I go here, you can sneak through.
Wait, no, which one I get sandwich? Sandwich?
You get sandwiched. Okay, do we have paper?
Yeah, I have loads of paper. You want plain paper or colour paper?
Paper for printer.
Appreciated.
You're welcome. Like A4, right?
You want A3 or A4?
A4. This one doesn't take A3. We are getting paper. What do we want to print? Everybody send me images on Discord that you want printed. I can't promise that it'll be printed, but I can show us how try.
Said, "Paper."
Check him in the Mellow Labs meme channel. The Mellow Memes.
Pyro said, "It does take a 3, but it does not like it."
I think the rest of it is under the bed.
Get Lifty
Okay,
said,
that'll work.
"I think we know what needs printing."
You've got both sides.
If you're gonna say it's not for gaming, it's for mask, then no. Does paper go here, I assume? Let's find out. Did I kick it? I think I kicked it. Can I save image, open image, save image? Yeah. God damn it. This. Why are you connecting and disconnecting? Stop. Discord link is dead? Oh no. Somebody fix the Discord link. It shouldn't be dead, but it probably is. Invite people. Get shareable link. Expires never. Generate link. Copy link. Edit. Description. I'm pretty sure I fixed it last time, but we'll try again. Hide, but what the fuck? Generate new link. Hidden. Use copy button. Okay, I copied it. I would like to paste it. I think I've just overused copy and paste on my keyboard because it seems to just not work. What in the wobble wobble? Okay, invite people. Edit link. Expires never. No limit. Generate no. Create new link. So the field where the link should be just says hidden. Use copy button. And then I click copy. And then I go to paste it. And then it pastes in hidden. Use copy button. What? I don't... What? I'm gonna close Discord. I'm gonna close Discord. And then I'm gonna open Discord. Because at this point, I don't think I'm having a meltdown. I think everything around me is having a meltdown. Invite people. Expires never. Generate link. Copy. It still just says copy. Hidden. Use button. Okay. If somebody has the link.
Yeah, wokey.
I'll add that next time. Hello. Is my fucking text to speech is broken again?
Maverick said. Discord link is dead, sad smiley. Abdul Rahman Sheikh said. I love your all videos, keep it up and print mellow I love my love red heart. Maverick
Okay.
said. X-Files theme intensifies. AZ said. Mellow hey friend. I had a knack tongue poking smiley grinning face. AZ said. Asterisk face with tongue sticking out. Pyro said. It brokey wokey.
Why? But why it brokey wokey? Is this the same link to Discord? that I have. That's the same one. Why is it broken? Yeah, no, I just can't make a link to invite people. If one of the Discord mods can you guys like forward me a link or something? Because for some reason, it just won't let me. And I have better things to do. Like printing things with this printer. Image, share, print. We want to print this. Let's do Control P.
Pyro said, because you don't use the built-in TTS I put in the script.
It's not that I don't want to use it. I explained the issues I had before I started the stream. I will use it. I will very happily use it. I appreciate all the work you've done on it. And I will use it. But I should have transferred the database earlier on.
AZ said, smiling face with open mouth and tightly closed eyes.
Print.
Abdulrahman Sheikh said, legends say this printer is not a printer, it is a puzzle.
Is this the correct? I don't know what this printer is. It is an MG20 something. This one. Find device. Remove. Device updates may be available. Cool. I don't care about updating it right now. I would like to print something with it. It seems to be detected by okay. I can scan things. Can confirm, scanner seems to work.
Pyro said, I have sent the link to the Discord.
Thank you. Review, import all images. Import.
Abdulrahman Sheikh said, got driver installed.
No, not yet. But the scanner works. Install printer in Windows. It's disappeared from the device list. No, never mind, here it is. Change. Okay, so far I think it just thinks it's a flatbed scanner, which technically true. Update the link to the Discord. This is a lot more viewers than I get on Twitch. What is wrong with my keyboard? Right. Control? Okay. I have updated the link in the description for the Discord. I also touched the cable which disconnected the printer. I don't necessarily want to download drivers. Add printer. Remove printer. Add printer. Why is it not working? Refresh. Check for printer. It didn't go to dunk. Now it went to dunk.
Pyro said, all this work to add printer, and just to find out that it is out of ink.
Probably, yes. Driver install required. Required. Driver details. Wait, can't we check whether the printer has ink? I feel like within this menu system, there might be some sort of self-test menu. Web services. Setup. Maintenance. Estimated ink levels. Current ink levels. What does that mean? Ink number? Print number? Okay. Ooh. Wow. Look at that. It's amazing. Maybe try again? I'm feeling the ink may be dry. Ink number, print number, yes. Yes. Okay, yeah, I don't think printing anything with this printer is worthwhile. We will proceed with the destruction process. I need a screwdriver. Okay.
Daisy said, okay, I have a cuppa, everything should be working now, laughing smiley. Pyro said, saved you some time there.
Indeed. Okay, there's nothing interesting in there. It's gonna have screws. Okay, well these are the only screws I see. These two, these two, these two. Okay, let's grab a fancy electric screwdriver because I use it very rarely. And I need to make money back on it. Never mind, the screwdriver is not strong enough to unscrew things. Back to manual
Easy.
screwing.
Said. Is that one of them old-timey 2D printers? You
Indeed.
should upgrade to one of them 3D ones I keep hearing about. Laughing smiley. Maverick. Said. iFixit page says, using a pick, or similar tool, remove the clips around the edge of the control panel cover, then lift the lid.
Like that. Oh, there's more screws in here. I've got the screen out. Using your Phillips screwdriver. Who would have thought? iFixit is actually useful. Yes. Bubbles. Oh, I should have scummed the bubbles.
Maverick. Said. Now the rear 4 screws.
Gonna do disassembly by commission. Rear 4 screws. Okay, hold on. I've already undone those screws just in advance. Oh my god, I'm using the wrong size screwdriver. I need a slightly thicker nosed screwdriver. Beautiful.
Pyro.
Bye bye screw.
Said. Your camera is brokey wokey.
Oh no, my camera is brokey wokey. I have a feeling this is when you move the desk. It's a very sensitive cable connection right there. That one. Do that. Hey. Da 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 da.
JJ Curbs. Said. I'd rather be wokey than brokey.
Okay, what now? Because I've done. Do I have to undo these ones now? The 4 back screws have been undone. I'm literally just gonna wait for steps. Also, don't forget to like the stream. Tell me when to smash that glass button. I'm just gonna unscrew every screw that I see. It's usually how that works. Would anybody like a little screen? Just a little screen guy.
Maximum Bombastic.
Ooh.
Said.
Bye.
You could modify the Mini to print directly onto the scanner bed. Then you could automatically scan each layer and convert it back into G-code that you then stream back to the Mini. Infinite loop. Easy. Said. Defo like the stream, chat.
That's an
Laughing
interesting
smiley.
concept. I do have a scanner that would probably do a better job.
JJ Curbs. Said. I have to ask, why are you doing his face blue smiling?
You must be new here. I disassemble things for fun. And occasionally I set things on fire. But only when the chat asks me to set things on fire. Where's the other screws? What am I missing? Is there a clip somewhere here? think I'm missing some screws.
Pyro said. And sometime blow up some caps and create magic smoke.
Sometimes.
JJ Curbs said. I'm not new, but this is my first live stream.
Ah, so you're
Maverick
new to the live streams.
said. Now work the clips all the way around the spanner bed.
What, these ones? Oh, wait, small screws here. Clips all the way around the scanner bed, right.
AZ said. I do this too, grinning face, every now and then I'll find something like an old printer in a charity shop and it's a $5 or something silly, so I buy it simply to pull it apart and save bits from it. AZ said. That's a whole afternoon of fun for a $5 laughing smiley.
Exactly.
Pyro said. Safety Council did not approve the blowing up caps last time, tongue poking smiley.
Safety console is very harsh sometimes. I feel like
Maverick
there's going to be a clip here.
said. Oh, look at that DC motor.
Yes, we'll get to the DC motor. I feel like there's something here holding it, but I'm not sure what it is. There's a screw there. What are you? Ooh,
AZ
not exactly what I
Said.
expected.
Maverick, I peep it, so delicious laughing smiley. Maximum bombastic said. I call it harvesting. Pyro said. You should try to remove the ink chisel first. Maverick said.
Missed the screw.
That hazy so juicy. Maverick said. I call it salvage.
I call it viewer retention metrics. Oh, that's the most annoying of the clips. Okay. I mean, technically, if I just plug this back in, like that, and then I plug the screen back in.
AZ said. I kept a load of the super flat glass plates from old scanners and 2-in-1s. Once I get some epoxy, I'm gonna glue them all together to make a sort of surface plate for decent flatness reference.
Interesting. Wouldn't it just be cheaper to get a slab of marble and probably... Did I put that in the right way around? Maybe? We'll find out. Power. Don't touch any of the capacitors. One button. Oh. One button. Oh. It works. Uh-oh. Everything's fine. The thing that holds the ink came loose.
AZ said. I
Cover
got
is
a slab
open.
of granite, but because of the way it was ground smooth it dips ever so slightly in the middle. Disappointed face.
Hold on, I need to stick a screwdriver in the hole that says cap, so because it thinks the thing's open. I'm just gonna leave that screwdriver just hanging in there. Processing. Please wait momentarily. 1 second long momentarily. Just stick some paper in it. It's stuck on Pyro again. Weird. Okay. Let's do... That's not a function that you are available to do. Okay. Let's go to setup. Let's do ink maintenance. Print a nozzle pattern. Let's go. We've got a spinny wheel here. It's trying to do stuff. I'm going to turn it this way. Uh-oh. Support code. Printer error. Has... Follow the steps below. Cancel
Maximum
printing.
bombastic.
Turn
Said,
off device.
I have to go to the supermarket.
Turn the printer
Need
on
anything?
and off again.
Get
A
lifted.
pack of digestives
Said.
and some sweetener.
Waiting for the inevitable ink explosion any second now. Pyro. Said. 1 onion. AZ. Said.
That onion better
Cornetto.
come with like 250 quid just like duct taped to it. Look at it go. So smooth. I would like printer maintenance, please. I am basically a printer tech at this point. Printing, apparently. That's what the screen says. Dear printer, I think the definition of printing is broken. It's not taking the paper. Oh, it's taking the paper. It's trying so hard to print.
Pyro. Said. You should apply a cannon. Maximum bombastic. Said. Alright. Got it. Pyro. Said.
I think the inks may
To
be
design
dry.
a better button interface.
If they hire me, I'll happily do that. I need to get a wipe. We're gonna see if this helps. Alcohol. Washy, 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 washy.
Get lifty. Said. Aren't you supposed to wet the print head with alcohol or something? Pyro. Said. Lick it.
Okay, I get it. The delay on the YouTube live streams is very bad. I understand. I thank you for your patience. I think it's clean. Okay. Let's chuck those back in. There go the blacking. Oh, don't try to steal it.
Pyro. Said. Yet which was pretty much instant.
Okay. We need to turn the printer off.
Get lifty. Said. What a horrific noise that print head makes.
Sounds good to me. Okay, turn
Easy.
it back on.
said. SMD means surface mount device, and no, I'm just kidding, grinning face.
Swear.
Pyro said. Ha ha ha.
It's a different text-to-speech program. Okay, let's go down to maintenance again. Maintenance again. Maintenance again. Let's do printing pattern. And we need to wait for it to do all of its preparation. Oh, okay, I need something better than this screwdriver because it keeps rejecting it. Blue tack, to the rescue. Stick that in there, turn that off, and hopefully now it thinks the cover's closed. I don't need this anymore. Okay, back to the menu. We're going down, down, maintenance, maintenance, print nozzle pattern, yes, print it, baby. Show me them nozzle patterns. Wow, how fancy. Ooh, it's taken a piece of paper. Yeah, so it's none of the above. Your nozzle is not clogged, or does it require cleaning? I think it requires cleaning. Cleaning. It's now gonna self-clean the nozzle because apparently the cleaning I did was not enough.
Pyro said. Amazing. Pyro said. Best quality print.
Best quality print.
Get lifty said. What a high quality print of a white cat in snow. Hazy said. It requires the brushy.
Ooh, hold on. Do you want to print the nozzle pattern? Yes. Okay. Right. Something tells me this printer is not capable of printing anymore. I don't know why, I just get the feeling. You know what I mean? I'm gonna try a deep cleaning. I don't know how long a deep cleaning is gonna take, but that will be the final attempt at getting this printer to produce any kind of artwork. Oh, well, never mind. The printer decided it doesn't want to do that anymore.
Pyro said, "Wait, is this an invisible ink printer?"
Oh, well, that makes sense now. A camera? Hello? Thank you. Okay, well, let's... Bye-bye. Let's unplug the screen again, unplug the keypad again. Alright, so... Okay, there's a screw there, and I'm trying to pry it open. There's another screw here. What does that give me? That gives me nothing particularly interesting. Can I remove this bit? No. No, I cannot.
AZ said, "Or it's empty. Can't be clogged with ink if there is no ink. Roll safe meme. Get lifty said, I have visions of that glass breaking."
Those are probably... Why is that attached? Oh, it's screwed in. Who would screw this in? Can you imagine? Hold on 1 second. Let's undo that. Can you imagine it was somebody's job to design this whole PCB here just to have a button on it? That probably took like 13 revisions. And the bracket that mounts it to the actual plastic, at least 4.
AZ said, "Get lifty always a spectacular sight when it does break cause it's tempered glass, so it just explodes into tiny glass cubes and goes everywhere. Don't ask me how I know that deep."
Don't tell me that. I have too much experience with shattering glass. I love that the blackboard
Pyro
just stays on.
said, "At get lifty just like with the stove disassembly."
Exactly. I love that the blackboard just stays on for a while after somebody's done talking. Just does that now. Oh, comes back. Okay. In the bin. Ta-da. Okay, let's
AZ
continue unscrewing things.
said, "Is there another video I should watch? LOL."
For what? Ow. Anybody
JTE
need
3D
a...
said, "I'm back after an impulse trip to B&Q."
Oh,
AZ
nice.
said, the glass explosion laughing smiley.
Oh, no, that was a live stream. I don't actually know which one that was. One of them. You won't actually see it because I did it on my balcony. And I didn't show my balcony because, you know, reasons. But that Wi-Fi? That is Wi-Fi. Look at that. Nice little Wi-Fi module. Oh, it's specifically a Canon Wi-Fi module. Great. That means it won't work with anything. Anybody need a Canon Wi-Fi module? What did you get at B&Q? Oh no, is this broke? My thing's broken again, isn't it?
AZ said. Fair laughing smiley.
Okay.
Pyro
Didn't miss too
said.
much.
Would be funny if there was an ESP inside.
Probably not. It's soldered on. I don't really feel like disassembling that now.
JTE 3D said.
I mean, it's got an FCC
Michelle,
filing, so you can
exciting
probably
stuff.
check that. Ooh, very fun. It's got an FCC filing, you can probably Google it.
AZ said. Chances are it has a standard USB connection and connected to the mainboard with that mainboard is grinning face likely running a Linux of some sort.
I mean, I do technically now have the ability to talk to things like that. I've never done it before, and I have no idea how to, but technically I have the ability to do that. Screw here. Can I remove this now? Yes! Yes, I can. Okay, who do I send the glass to? Can't promise the Royal Mail won't screw it up.
Get
Oh,
nifty
nice.
said. Chat controlled printer.
That was an idea a while ago, and it might still one day come true, but for now, we are out of printers. Actually, it's kind of a problem. This is the last
Pyro.
thing I have in my
Set.
pile of stuff to disassemble.
Hello sweet Canon printer with terrible interface. Please respond to me.
Yeah, it's actually kind of a problem. This is the very last thing I had in my stockpile of things to disassemble, so I don't know what we're gonna do after this. If you'd like to donate things, you might
Michael
be able to.
said. That's a good piece of glass for a frame.
Indeed. Actually, I think my partner broke a frame recently, so that glass might actually come in clutch.
Get lifted said. Time to go bin diving.
I've never been. Well, I've not been diving. I don't think. I think Joseph would probably know better than I. But are there any good places in London to go bin diving? Is that a power supply? No way. It is. That's the whole power supply. That's so cute. It's like fully enclosed in its own little enclosure.
Said. Do not try cutting the glass to size. I promise you will have an entire time loo.
The whole thing just has a cute little power supply. It's so cute. How do I take it out? Oh, it goes out down? What's holding you in? Is it the plug? No, that's not holding you in. Oh, clip. Okay, there's definitely a clip on this side. And I suspect... Oh, there's a clip on the other side too. Hold on. Let's bend those beyond recognition.
Get lifty. Said. I've gotten big sheets of acrylic and wood from diving outside of CNC places before.
Nice.
JTE 3D. Said. Probably not in London. Nor would I condone bin diving winking smiley. Easy. Said. The SU typically slots in so they can sell the same printer to places with different mains voltages, and just swap out the PSU module.
Feels oddly light. You guys want to guess the voltage? Oh, it's 24 volts at, wow, 7.5 milliamps. How sad. How sad. Whole bloody motherboard is holding this whole thing in.
Said. Get lifty, oh that's handy laughing smiley. Easy. Said. I'm guessing 24. Easy. Said. Oh lol.
Let's unplug those. Those. Who's holding them? Okay. Come out willingly, please. Would you look at that? Would you just look at that? Okay, everything's unplugged. Oh, goodbye.
Get lifty. Said. I see lots of fun capacitors.
This camera doesn't want to focus that. Oh, what is this? Hey, bud? Hey, bud? Oh, no. I'll show you on this camera, because this one can focus closer. Is that the right way around? No, it isn't. That way. Is that any good? Is that useful? It's supposed to be following me, but I think it's forgotten how to. Oh, I think the camera software crashed. Huh. Lost connection or unplugged. Are you sure about that, bud? Okay. The camera software has bugged out.
Pyro. Said. Yeah, very good, just desolder.
Everybody don't forget to like the stream. There. Okay. Keep. I don't want to touch this bit because that's
Easy.
all messy ink.
Said. If you can hot air that off, you can pop a hole in the corner and make it into a keyring grinning face.
I don't
The
think I
Redstone
want
Crafting
that.
said, yes, desolder it. It's worth gold.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like.
I keep forgetting that sound exists. Ooh,
The Redstone Crafting
let's get a
Set.
a ring on it.
very good chip. JTE3D said, if only you saved all the PCBs you harvested, you could now read the gold off of the boards /s.
I think I would spend more money buying all of the things that I would need to do that than I would actually make by harvesting gold out of PCBs. Also, I'm pretty sure it's a very poisonous process. Why are you holding me? Does that move further without being a butthead? Seems to just be hitting something here. What are you hitting? Is it that? It was that. Okay. Well, let's do one of my favorite things to do with printer.
There we go.
The Redstone Crafting said, can you explode a big capacitor this time? Get 50
No,
said, that is one chunky DC motor.
indeed. I cannot blow up a big capacitor this time, but I can have fun with a DC motor. Oh no.
AZ said, that carriage is made with about 500 pieces and they all need to come apart before it comes off the rail XD.
What is it hitting? I feel like it's sliding on something it shouldn't be.
AZ said, you can open and close a really small shower curtain laughing smiley.
What's stopping me right there? Oh, is that just you?
Get nifty said, been seeing potential for a printer battle bot here.
I mean, it's not a very effective weapon, is it? Can't even stick a screwdriver out the front of it. It broken. Okay, let's continue this assembly.
AZ said, beam robot parts laughing smiley.
Yes.
The Redstone Crafting said, now you can print with it laughing smiley. JTE3D said, do the grey bits move up?
Grey bits? What, these bits? I don't think so. They don't seem to. No, it's got rollers inside. I do kind of want to keep this for a future thing.
JTE3D said. At the front of the carriage. JTE3D.
What, these bits? Yeah,
Said.
but they're in the
So much delay.
they're in the locked in position, so they shouldn't be in the way. It's more just that rests down. I think there's meant to be something here that actually like pulls it up, but that's why it's hitting stuff. Should I try to figure out how to do simultaneous casting to Twitch and to YouTube at the same time? The script will not work.
Pyro said. Boo YouTube. It should learn from Twitch.
I mean, in some cases, it's probably better that the two are not the same.
The Redstone Crafting said. Yes, please.
Okay, well, you heard it. We're stuffing all this aside to try to do simultaneous casting.
Pyro said. Or move the commands to Discord.
I mean, eventually, maybe. For now, that sounds like a lot of effort.
The Redstone Crafting said. Let me find my Twitch login. Haven't used it in ages. Pyro said. I will put it on my to-do list. JTE3D said. Can you stream to Astra 28.2 degree while you're at it too?
Can I stream to what degree? I don't know if you're fooling with me. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Is that a platform I've never heard of? Did Twitch decided to ditch Twitch Studio for streaming? Oh, it's gone. Okay, yeah, they did. Fascinating. Okay. Well, that's annoying. can I open 2 instances of OBS? Open anyway. Yes, I can. Okay. If I go to my Twitch streaming profile, and then if I do start virtual camera, and then in here I pull in the virtual camera, OBS virtual camera.
JTE3D said, "It's a satellite. Yes, it was a joke.
Ah.
What about Live Jasmine?"
That's. I'm not going to stream to all the platforms at the same time. As fun as that sounds, I'm not doing it. Okay. Maybe this works. I won't be able to listen to both chats, I don't think. And again, commands will only work on the YouTube chat. Okay, let's open up the Twitch. Twitch.t. Oh, I need to change the name and everything.
Pyro said, "Jaha. Get Lifty," said, "I mean, I know a guy who can actually help you stream digitally to a satellite."
Very tempting. I don't think I need it. I don't think the ISS needs to watch the Mellow Lives printed disassembly live stream. I don't think it's in the list of things they have to do throughout the day.
Pyro said, "If you're at it, maybe also include OnlyFans."
No, because then Patreon's going to feel left out. Okay, I'm live. Let's manage my stream. I need to give my stream the same gosh darn title. Funny thing is, this is the most... Oh, look, I've got 50 followers. Hooray! I'm so much closer to getting my affiliate thing. Okay. We are now streaming to both. Does my internet connection want to kill me?
Redstone Crafting said, "It works on Twitch. Everybody join Twitch."
I'm currently sending 56 megabits
Nice,
a second.
mellow. Grinning face.
50 megabits per second. Very nice. Okay, I need to open up my Twitch
AZ
reader.
said, "Gonna get me that sweet founder's sub badge, tongue poking smiley."
It's a thing. I don't think I'm anywhere near actually. Indeed, so much better. Okay.
JTE3D
Do I? No.
said, "You have gig up. It's fifrutin."
I'm aware. It's just. Okay, so I don't need that. I need that because that shows me YouTube stuff. I need Twitch text to speech.
Pyro said, "Woohoo."
Okay, Twitch text to speech should also be working now. So don't abuse it. I think we should be good. If anything breaks, don't tell me. Back to my disassembly. Wow, that's the most viewers I've ever had on Twitch. Hi. I've been streaming on Twitch more often. I think in the last 3 days, I think I did like 5 different streams. Not different streams. I did have to restart a stream once. But yes, I am doing more of the twat streams. Twitch, I mean, sorry, not twat. Twitch. This is a shockingly clean. You have 2 viewers. No, I don't. I have 7 viewers. Why is the text-to-speech not working?
AZ said. Stream needs more rainbow, by the way, face with tongue sticking out.
Why is this not working? Start listening. It's apparently listening. Nope.
Prank House says testing 1.2.3.
That worked. I think I accidentally typed in Mellow Live, not Mellow Labs. 8 viewers. Follow. 7 viewers. We've already lost one. It's not going great for me.
Third 2010 says XD.
That's the button. And that does something. How do I remove you? You are attached here.
Third 2010 says, why can't I do Prime Abonnement?
Why can't you do what? Pride Abonnement. I don't know what that is. If it's a Twitch thing, I have no idea what that is. I'm very not up to date with the Twitch lingo. I keep wanting to call it twat. I'm sorry. I need to remember that Twitch is not just for not just for XQC.
Third 2010 says you can subscribe for free if you have Amazon Prime.
Oh, I'm not a Twitch partner or affiliate yet. I don't think I have that. You will have to wait patiently until I've streamed
Michael
for
said,
much longer.
watch stream. Get Lifty says TTS is quiet on Twitch.
TTS is quiet on Twitch. That's probably because it's quiet on here. I'm sorry, having 2 instances of OBS is not a particularly enjoyable thing.
Third 2010 says the text-to-speech is very quiet. Get Lifty says, whoa, the lack of delay there was crazy. It was instant. Creative VFX said,
Ah,
hey
hello.
everyone,
how you doing?
don't worry, I'm here now. LOL.
The funny thing is, most people are leaving the YouTube chat to join me on Twitch because the delay is much better. So I am now simultaneously casting to YouTube and to Twitch.
AZ said, 50 new followers within 30 days and 2 average viewers across 8 hours of stream.
Where are you getting this information from?
Third
I don't even have this
2010 says
information.
good for your computer.
Indeed. My computer loves sending 60 megabits up. 30 days, 2 average views across 8. Okay.
Get Lifty says watch on both platforms for peak retention.
Yes.
Leon said. YouTube all away like skin tone thumbs up sign. AZ said. I looked up the affiliate Rex.
Ah, yeah. 50 followers. Yeah, so I'm
Therewego
there.
said.
30 days.
Where do I find
Average
the
of-
Twitch link?
Average of 2 viewers. The thing is, they need more than that. They want 1 second. I'll put the Twitch link in the thing, in the chat.
Easy.
They want more than that.
Said.
You need like 5
The
concurrent
mod can
chatters
post
as
it
well.
laughing smiley.
You need like 5 concurrent chatters as well, which is not
Easy.
something I've gotten yet.
Said. Mellow_live on Twitch though.
There you go.
Mellow_labs. Said.
Don't.
https://www.twitch.tv/mellow_labs. Joseph Taylor AZ said. Sorry, Mellow_labs. Drew Meager said. Thank you.
I'm surprised we've not had the text to speeches had to talking over each other yet. Throw my hat in the ring.
Third 2010 says yes. Asterisk asterisk asterisk. Joseph Taylor says Twitch. JTE3D said. YouTube.
Okay. I'm glad that works. Fantastic. But yeah, if you'd like more of me,
JTE3D said.
there'll be more of me on Twitch.
YouTube.
Am I allowed to check? Hold on. If I go to my live dashboard for... Go ad free
Leon
for free.
said. YouTube. JTE3D said. I'm rate limited on Twitch, sad. Pyro said. Twitch.
$14 viewers on Twitch. Holy damn, hello.
Joseph Taylor says yeah lol.
Why didn't it read Lifty's message though?
AZ_floof says at the 2010 somewhere between PlayStation start screen and plastic cake tub at 3 AM.
Okay. If I go
Get
to...
Lifty says damn this
home-
discriminant Twitch TTS. Bitcom says more FPS over here on Twitch.
It's the same number of FPS. They're both 30 FPS. Okay, so I think so far I have most of the criteria to become a Twitch affiliate, apart from streaming
Get
for...
Lifty says Bitcom is a fantastic Twitch handle.
I think the only one I'm missing is... Okay, no, hold on. It's not up to date. It's not updated. Average of
Intro Hate says
3
it is.
viewers. And stream on 7 different days.
2010 says
So
could
far
you
we have
try running
4.
your 3D printer on 700mm/s. Get Lifty says just permanently stream nozzle cam footage for the week.
Yeah, but the problem is with that, it's not really interesting without sound. And if I want to have sound on, you know, it's basically me just talking in the background with my partner. I don't really want to do that.
Bitcom says nearly zero latency on Twitch.
Let's do a... actually, no, never mind. I just realized you guys can figure out how to do that. Tiny knives. Tiny knives. Tiny knives on very long springs.
2010 says test. Joseph Taylor says, can someone code a code to printer noises script to synthesize the printer noises? Get Lifty says, if you stream a clock we can measure the exact latency. 2010 says 3 seconds delay.
Can I stream a clock? Where's my? I was gonna use my phone, but my phone's doing that. Wait. I just realized I have a big phone.
Get Lifty says this is where he pulls out an analog clock.
I don't know if this is gonna help anyone, but
2010 says, just stream the DVD logo trying to hit the corner. JTE3D said, open time is.
a clock, Mellow. A clock. It's basically the same as a
Grandhouse
stopwatch.
says, between Twitch and YT there is a 20 AZ said, 12 seconds ish LOL.
I think
Bitcom says it's considerable.
I think the two text-to-speeches can't talk over each other, so they keep cutting each other off. Which probably...
Get
Weird.
Lifty says, the pure confidence you emitted as you pulled out a stopwatch has me laughing so hard.
I have the confidence of a straight white male. What do you
Joseph
expect?
Taylor says it.
Everything I do is... Actually, no, not everything. I suck at most things.
Joseph Taylor says, open asterisk 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 website. 2010 says, stream this asterisk asterisk asterisk.
I don't think it doesn't even let me check what you meant.
Get Lifty says, does Twitch censor links?
Apparently
Get
so.
Lifty says asterisk asterisk asterisk. JTE3D said,
Is.
FFS Twitch. OpenTime.is website.
Time is.
AZ_floof says only mods can post links XD.
Okay, let's get ready for wrong one. What do you mean my clock is
Get
0.2
Lifty says
seconds
perfect
behind?
2 seconds.
Oh, because you guys can open it at the same time. That makes sense. Wow, I'm dumb. If I refresh, does that change?
Get Lifty says much
No.
more effective than a stopwatch.
Hey, time is
Implicate
time.
says we did it, guys.
So what is the delay between YouTube and Twitch?
Bitcom says Twitch rules, instant follow.
Sick. I'm glad I did something. I opened the clock.
Get Lifty says let's not open the time dilation debate because technically time isn't time.
What do you mean time isn't time? Opens the debate unknowingly.
Joseph Taylor says go on. Get Lifty says special relativity and shit.
Don't summarize. Tell us. Explain special relativity to a bunch of people on the stream, please.
AZ said, time is time we yes but also actually no.
I remember I watched an explanation of the the network time protocol and the guy explaining it. And, I got ink on me. And he was
Bitcom says, oh god, stop talking about it. We're overusing the universe.
We're overusing the universe. Have you ever played Satisfactory?
The 2010 says 10 viewers.
Yes, we are winning. We are bound to be the most popular stream on science and technology in no time. At this rate, we could raid someone. We could raid someone, and they would notice an increase in viewership.
Get Lifty says if you shine a light up at a mirror on a moving train, it travels a distance of 2D in X time. But if you look from outside the train, it actually travels further as it moves up and across. So time or distance has to change for everything to work. The 2010 says XDDDDD.
How high?
2010 says can we please raid someone at the end?
Yes, we will. Can somebody see how high up in the Twitch ranking we are? Not all of the Twitch
Bitcom
ranking.
says we've achieved teleportation on the quantum scale.
Yes. So we can teleport micropeens now, right?
Get Lifty says 9th on Twitch.
Yes.
Implicate says 2nd row for me in science and technology.
Yes.
AZ_floof
We
says
got
if
this.
we all get in a VC one day I'll happily nerd out about general relativity, special relativity, and how gravity and time don't really exist and each is really just a consequence of the other existing in space. But I promise you it is way beyond the scope of both of these streams. Laughing smiley laughing smiley. The 2010 says we are in the top 10 million.
Yes. We did it,
Get
boys.
Lifty says at AZ_floof are a fellow physicist.
We're doing it, boys. We're getting up in the rankings. Just
AZ_floof
a million
says
more
I
to
couldn't
go.
even type all of that in YouTube because of the character limit lol. Bitcom says this is peak.
Okay, so what did we learn today? Canon printer interface is awful. Anybody who worked on it should be fired. General relativity and time. I don't remember what I learned about it, but we learned something about it.
An armchair physicist, but I've dabbled laughing smiley. The 2010 says we learned that Twitch is better and YouTube sucks.
Okay,
Bitcom
well-
says stop locking down hardware, stop buying proprietary.
Listen, I can't say anything bad about YouTube because currently YouTube pays me. Twitch does not pay me. If Twitch pays me, I'll think about it.
Bitcom says let us our hardware.
What can we, if we spam Twitch?
Get Lifty
Does
says
that-
when you get all the Twitch Prime subs it'll be like having 25% extra Patreon subs. The 2010 says we all love YouTube. YouTube is best.
This
Until
is
Twitch pays.
okay. This
Implicate
is
says everyone open YouTube link in another tab.
this is the absolute cleanest. Like this is the ink dump.
Joseph Taylor says
section.
I'm watching on YouTube another tab just for the metrics.
Well, wait. I can switch the ad. Okay, if everybody's watching on Twitch, leave the YouTube tab open. On YouTube, I'm gonna change the ad frequency to as often as possible. Therefore, Twitch will pay. YouTube will pay for Twitch, but we all watch on Twitch because no ads, right? So I'm gonna
AZ_Floof
high
says
earning
this is one of
potential.
the reasons we don't fully understand how gravity works. Out of the 4 fundamental forces we only know how 3 of them work because those 3 have corresponding particles.
I like that on YouTube. I'm
Gravity
still
doesn't, that we
explaining
know of.
the ad thing.
Implicate says get that paper bruh.
Better get that
AZ_Floof
money.
says hence the search for the God particle. Bitcom says support this channel. Society needs this. Joseph Taylor says my YT premium will be lining your pockets. Third 2010
That's
says
okay.
sucks
That's
for
not
the
how
2
that
extra
works if you
viewers
have
on
YouTube Premium. I
Crank
get a
House
small
says, can you
percentage
add
of
some
that.
text to the YT stream, redirecting people to Twitch. Tongue poking smiley.
Just watch both. Yeah, that if you have YouTube Premium, then you don't get ads. Therefore, it doesn't affect you.
Joseph Taylor says more than ads though.
Unless you have a
Bitcom
channel
says
that
like
is
and
locked
subscribe.
out.
Get Lifty says where else can people learn about special relativity while a man eats onions and disassembles a printer? Third 2010 says rip 2 viewers on YT.
There's
Implicate
not. There's
says be sure
13.
to hit
There's
that
still
bell.
13 people watching on YouTube.
Hi. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like.
Ow.
Bitcom says people don't know what they are missing. AZ_Floof
Spread
says
the
I've got
word.
Lifty at
Share
Planet
it with
Cinema.
everyone. The more people you share the stream with, the better. Oh. Thank you, Pyro. Oh, it's 91. It's that weird in between sitting and standing. Thank you for that.
Third
Oh,
2010
goody.
says to those 3 viewers on YT. Please
It's-
come to Twitch.
There's 12 people on
Implicate says
YT.
sweet desk. Get Lifty says in between sitting and standing. Statting. Get Lifty says sinding.
Yeah, for the next iteration of Twitch commands, instead of doing
Joseph Taylor says statting has a better ring to it.
no, for the
Bitcom
next
says that secondary cam is genius. Instant subscribe. AZ_Floof says pretty sure that's just crouching LOL.
okay, for the next iteration of
Joseph Taylor says no alright. Get Lifty says at AZ_Floof fantastic point. AZ_Floof says liberal chair scoot.
for the next iteration of chat controlled desk, instead of doing like numbers for like how high and low the desk can go, you just put however many letters from the word standing, and then however many letters from the end of sitting, and then there you find we'll make a list of all the different possibilities, and then we'll map that to a value from 120 to 71, and then you put half and half, and then that's how the desk will go. Pyro, program it.
Get Lifty says surely the top 2 and bottom 2 levels would be the same. Prank House says no.
But it makes sense. This is clearly what you guys want.
Get Lifty says the ing from sitting with the standing from standing.
I got lost with what I
Third
was doing.
2010 says hi. At pyro 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 at pyro.
Okay, I'd like to point out there are still
Bitcom says what parts are the best parts of this printer?
these parts. There are still more viewers on YouTube than there are on Twitch. In fact, the YouTube stream has more likes
Prank house
Then
setting.
there's viewers
It is
on the
most
Twitch stream.
expensive.
So,
AZ said, I love that one of the rules on joining this chat was keeping the chat on topic, implying there is indeed a topic. Tongue poking smiley.
okay, you cannot enforce rules. Wait, where was this rule? I don't remember this
Get
rule.
Lifty says sitting, standing, sighting, sounding, sitting, sting. Bitcom says what are the rules?
That makes sense. I think as long as you're not a dick, I'm not gonna bother. Like, I'm probably the most ADHD person in here, getting constantly distracted. So, being on topic is technically being all over the place. I think if I had a moderator
Bitcom says I like
moderating
the
whether
rules.
the chat is on topic, that's
AZ said. Over here waves from YouTube chat. Ari_boyfriend says I'm watching both streams at the same time.
AI boyfriend. What the fuck is that username?
AZ_floof
is there an
says
AI
at Bitcom
girlfriend
you know the
too?
rules, and so do I.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Is there an AI girlfriend as well in the chat?
Ari_boyfriend says it's me maximum.
Oh.
Bitcom says we all know the rules. The Redstone Crafting said, YouTube is best. We have to say so Mello gets paid. Bitcom says we should all inherently know the rules.
You know the rules. Ow. That timed out well with the song lyrics.
Get Lifty says at Joseph Taylor the Dairy Dunker is superior by the way.
The Dairy Dunker? What are you guys on about? Keep it on topic or I'll ban you.
Third 2010 says at Pyro ******. Joseph Taylor says I am aware, but Poundland didn't have any.
Interesting. Ooh, there's a second motor here. You know the rules, and so do... What? You got the song stuck in my head now.
Third 2010 says give it 30V.
You got this. I will happily give this motor 30V. As soon as I find where the plugs are for it.
Get Lifty says at Joseph Taylor do you often shop at Poundland for your Dairy products? AZ_floof says tee.
Guys, keep it on topic. Oh my god, I cannot plug this motor in. Nope, I cannot do it. This motor isn't accessible.
Says we are no strangers to love, you know the rules, and so do I. Do I? Full commitments. What I'm thinking of, you wouldn't get this from any other guy. Pre-chorus, I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling, gotta make you understand. Chorus, never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. Bitcom says boo.
Can we have that clipped? Just the lyrics of the
AZ_floof
song
says
and the
also
desk
I
going
can
up.
guarantee you there's no stepper motors in that printer, laughing smiley.
Oh, not a single
It'll all
one.
be DC motors with optical feedback position discs.
Yep, right there.
Get Lifty says optical feedback position discs is the name of my indie rock band. Bitcom says at AZ_floof thank you.
Can I make you the cover art? Camera? Oh, camera's lost me again. Oh, the program for the camera has crashed again. You know the rules and oh.
Third 2010 says, how do we clip, guys?
You shout at the screen at the top of your lungs, and then it saves the clip. Camera. Ah, there we go.
Bitcom says, I need every bearing and stepper motor I can find. Those rods look very useful. AZ_floof says Alt and X. Get Lifty says, I wouldn't clip, guys. They would probably get annoyed at you.
Who's they? I don't mind being clipped.
AZ_floof says, or there's a button if you hover the mouse over the video. Third 2010 says, intro, desert you hurt you, verse 1, we're no strangers to love, you know the rules and so do I, the full commitment's what I'm thinking of, you wouldn't get this from any other guy. Pre-chorus, I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling, gotta make you understand. Chorus, never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. Verse 2, we. Bitcom says, we all know who they are. Ari_boyfriend says, get this guy off the stage. Get Lifty says, the absolute lack of effort to the bit is fantastic. Couldn't even remove the chorus and verse tags LUL.
I was gonna say, if you have any particularly funny clips, feel free to share them in the...
Floof says, a full tear down is what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get that from any other stream. Third 2010 says, at Bitcom XDDD true.
I was gonna say, if you have any particularly funny clips, you can share them on the Discord. We have a special channel for out-of-context clips.
Get Lifty says, Mellow Labs, you wouldn't get that from any other stream.
I should hope not, unless I'm doing a collaboration. There, you can have an optical ring as a camera thing. Beautiful. At least now I know which camera is being used. That's actually kind of useful.
AZ_floof says, you probably know this, but keep all those steel rods laughing smiley. Third 2010 says, yes, you get it from YouTube.
Know the rules, and so do potatoes.
Bitcom says, GIT good YouTube. Get Lifty says, you seem to be running out of printer, so I am going to go for 15. Get
I am
Lifty
not
says,
running out
don't
of
blow
printer.
anything up.
I am not running out of printer. I still have plenty of electronics to go through. I'm trying to get this motor out. I think I finally got this motor out. There's a button that's in here too. I want to get that too.
Get
Or
Lifty
switch.
says, damn thing will probably still be fully assembled when in back. AZ_floof says, still got the scanner section yet, laughing smiley.
No, I already have that. That's chilling right here. I mean, I'm trying to disconnect everything so that I can reconnect it all on the desk. I'm just going to grab all the individual components and then just connect them all on the desk and see if the printer still does anything.
AZ_floof says, you're gonna reconnect it all.
Yes.
You poor bean, laughing smiley. AZ_floof says, oh, you are gonna have a time, my friend, laughing smiley.
Yes.
Third 2010 says, I know where you can get electronics to tear down. You find it if you go through your neighbor's window.
Technically, yes. But then the next stream would probably be from jail. And I don't think those would be very good streams. Mostly because I wouldn't have any tool. I mean, those would be the streams on OnlyFans, I guess. Never mind.
Frank House says, jail LCPCB.
They're not sponsoring. Stop mentioning them. Unless they actually want to sponsor a stream, we don't mention them.
AZ_floof says, yeah, your one phone call is probably gonna be a live stream tongue poking smiley.
No. I'll call Joseph, and I'll get him to like grab my laptop or something and just point it at my window at the cell, and then I'll just.
AZ_floof says, at Prank House, that's beautiful XD.
Just be on the prison phone. This episode is sponsored by JLCPCB.
2010
Your
says,
one-stop shop.
hello guys, welcome to this stream from jail. Today we are breaking out.
I just imagine like
Joseph
cramming
says,
out
I
of
get
a
drone
hole
and
somewhere.
drop it into you. Bitcom says, best desk I've ever seen. Useful is beautiful. Prank House says, welcome to the teardown of this jail cell.
I'll just be coming out of like a hole, escaping from the prison, and an officer will just be there with the phone, just watching my stream as I'm like coming out. It's like, how did you find me?
Prank House says, a jail cell built by Canon.
Oh no, nobody will know the ins and outs.
AZ_floof says, to be honest, you can probably knock on some doors and ask if they have old electronics stuff they want shifted. Or stick some letters through their doors, laughing smiley.
Maybe. I'm sure there has to be like a dump somewhere or something like that.
Bitcom says, any advice to revive an old print head that won't work? Prank House says, may contain asbestos.
I don't think this is the stream you should be watching if you're trying to actually fix a printer. I just might not have the right experience you need.
Bitcom says, fix it or break it, who cares?
I haven't had dinner yet. I'm now hungry.
I thought you ate before the stream.
That would make too much sense.
YTFP Chris said, better off asking how to break something. AZ_floof says, have you had food at all?
Yes.
Frank House says, grab an onion.
I'm not grabbing an onion. I had free chicken. What are they
Bitcom
called?
says, ask the man who breaks things for advice on how
Pardon?
not to do it.
Chicken balls to me.
Ari
I had
boyfriend
free
says, do they
chicken
have
balls
home
before I
assistant in
started.
prison? AZ_floof says, okay, if you had food 3, you've been hydrating too, which is good.
I'm pretty good at keeping hydrated. Unless I try drinking isopropyl alcohol.
Third 2010 says, make a stream. Welcome to this stream. Today we are going to harvest some electronics. Our side quest is breaking into our neighbors. Prank House says important. Is the window open?
Actually no, the window is not open.
AZ_floof says once you get affiliated
That
with
sound
Anonymous
doesn't
channel
exist, he
points,
just
we
asked.
can all nag you to hydrate and stretch and do on laughing smiley.
My gravestone.
AZ_floof says asterisk so on.
Am I gonna have to have a do exercise sound? Or stretch? We're gonna start each stream with like the Japanese workout videos before they go to work. Okay, so small problem.
Ari_boyfriend says 90s aerobics.
Or that. Small problem. I have no idea where any of these parts go. But I will try my best.
AZ_floof says also now you're a streamer you need a throne, and a corresponding, throne command laughing smiley. Third 2010 says we start the stream with dying motor noises. AZ_floof says it's the law lol.
We're gonna what do you guys think is CR MR MTR CR motor? Carriage motor? I think that might be it. We're gonna backtrack and figure out this one. Yellow. In funk.
Ari_boyfriend says Creality motor.
LF motor. LF motor. I'm gonna assume this is a LF motor because that's the only
Third 2000
other
ITFP
motor.
Chris said. Restocking on blue smoke.
Okay. That's the two motors. Okay, so what is this? This is a free pin.
AZ_floof says you need a throne account, headphone with either cat ears, a mushroom, or a sprout on top, and those light up hexagonal panels on the wall laughing smiley.
Yes, all of those things cost money. Eventually, maybe. But for now, DIY. By the way, these are my Patreon supporters. If you want to have your name on the wall, become a Patreon supporter. It's £3 for the small ones, and then you get £5 for the bigger ones, and then you get the bigger ones for
AZ_floof says that's why you
£10.
have the throne so we can buy
And
you
then
things
these ones are
laughing smiley.
£150. I don't know why anybody would want them, but £150 for the big ones.
Pyro said. And it lights up too.
And it lights up, yeah. So if you use the YouTube chat, it does that. We'll update the code for Twitch too. Eventually. But that actually selects your name, and it lights up for when you talk. We might actually have to rework how quickly it turns on and off, because the delay on Twitch is a lot less. This is definitely set up for YouTube because you can tell how long it stays on. We might have to adjust that.
AZ_floof says okay asterisk that's asterisk cool laughing smiley.
I'm putting these cables in. I assume they go in the places I'm putting them in, because every single connector on here is a different length. So I'm hoping I'm just getting them in the right way. This is card. That will be you. I don't have the cable for you anymore. Shit. Ooh, there's another piece on the floor. That's the on button. That's useful. Power. Power.
Prank
Okay.
House says I have to fix all the code related to Plaque board. He'll add it to the to-do list.
You might have to share this to-do list with me, because I think I should probably try doing some of it too. I think I actually okay, the person who designed the board was a lot
Crank House says
smarter
the
than
to-do
the
list
person
is
who
on the
designed
GitHub.
the interface. Okay, that's useful information. Whoever designed the PCB boards was a lot smarter than the person who designed the user interface, because everything here is surprisingly labeled clearly. Like power supply, it's labeled DC. Who would have thought? Perfect. You.
Bitcom says there needs to be a way for us not to interrupt you.
Nah, it's fine. I don't mind.
The 2010 says, is there something to blow up? We need something.
There is, but I don't know if I'm allowed to. Is this? Okay, so this goes here. I think that's the one for the. Okay, that's the one for the screen. Okay, cool. So this is for the keypad.
The 2010 says, please ask her.
They go by they them. I will let you rephrase the question.
The 2010 says, can you ask they / them?
Chat would like to know if I'm allowed to blow something up.
You talking to me?
Yes. They specifically asked they them. Ask they them
No,
to
no, they them. They them.
ask they them if I can blow something up.
What is it specifically?
Bitcom says, get a
Doesn't
vent
mean
and
that
blow up
that's
anything.
That was pretty loud.
I can maybe blow up a capacitor.
No.
What?
I asked
Bitcom
how
says, don't
loud.
breathe bad metals.
Pardon?
I asked what you were looking to like.
Well, I
YTFP
kind of
Chris
depends on what they want me to
said,
blow.
just no dolls.
What does chat want to blow?
What does chat
Ari_boyfriend
wanna blow up?
says, ask for forgiveness later. The 2010 says, use your fume extractor though.
It's gonna take them a while.
Yeah,
It's-
please
it's-
don't say the house.
No, I'm not gonna blow up the house.
Please.
AZ_floof says, save the blowing up things for channel points later. Ton poking smiley, ton poking smiley, ton poking
I agree.
smiley.
I don't think today's stream
AZ_floof
is.
says, oh, that's a fun idea, lol.
There's already
says
a lot
Melo's
going
lungs
on this
matter.
stream. I don't think we need to blow stuff up today. We'll come back to it next time. I gotta keep it. Gotta do something in the future. Okay, that's plugged in. That's plugged in. That's plugged in.
Ari_boyfriend says, you need a blow up proof house.
I don't. Is this Wi-Fi? Yes, this is Wi-Fi. I need a blow-up proof house. I mean, I guess. I'm gonna have to fish out that
Bitcom
one
says,
cable.
all
for
houses
this.
should be blow up proof. Lock that down. AZ_floof says, a bunker. You're describing a bunker XD.
That does sound a lot like a bunker. Yes. Right, one of these is thick, one of these is not thick. The thick one. Oh, okay, so that goes. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. That one goes there. If this works, I am going to be so amazed. I mean, it's not going to print anything. It's probably just going to throw me a bunch of errors because it won't even calibrate properly. But I'll be surprised if it doesn't tell me that something's not connected properly. I will accept broken sensor error. Yeah, looks like everything's good.
Grand House says, actually these kind of bunkers are built to break apart, one wall or roof etc, when explosions are going off inside.
Where is the button? Ah, there it is.
AZ_floof says yeah, safe fail point laughing smiley. Ari_boyfriend says so an inverted bunker then.
Okay, I don't think it's working.
Bitcom says space. I think we're talking about space.
I mean, yeah, it's hard to blow up something without any oxygen.
Prank House says Esparas.
I mean, I'm gonna have to go fishing for the...
Third
Oh, wait, no.
2010 says the way they / them said new. When you said capacitor.
It's mostly because it's like getting a little bit late, and we do have a flatmate who has work in the morning, so the reason these streams can't run as long as I would let them run if I could.
Also, I don't want to hear loud noises.
Also, you don't want to hear loud noises.
Consideration.
Bitcom says incredible show. Prank House says time to soundproof the room.
Hopefully no. Okay, well, we're not actually, something's not working. Let me grab my multimeter.
Ari_boyfriend says noises are only nice when you're the one making them.
Indeed
So
they
I
are.
understand. Bitcom says this quality deserves a dedicated lab.
Yes, I agree. I would love a dedicated WAB. But, yeah. Money be tight, though. Right, are we getting power?
Third
7
2010
volts.
says if 2 + 2 = 0 then capacitor does not go boom. Implicate says
Nothing.
dedotated wham. Bitcom says you deserve
Nothing.
it.
We have 7 volts. Why are we only getting 7 volts? Oh dear God. Oh my God, this camera. This tripod is not tripoding very well.
Prank House says magic smoke.
Where? I don't feel any magic smoke yet.
AZ_floof says a repurposed shipping container would be a cool lab laughing smiley. Or a decommissioned tube
cold
train
and
carriage
echoey.
laughing smiley.
Very cold and echoey, and by the time you add like insulation and stuff, tiny. I've already looked into it a while ago.
Prank House says just put fire in it. Third 2010 says you deserve it magic smoke. A repurposed shipping container would be a cool lab laughing smiley. Or a decommissioned tube train carriage laughing smiley.
Why do we have dupe? Oh no. We have dupe chat again. Why do we have dupe chat again?
Ari_boyfriend says so are you going to make a separate plaque board for our Twitch handles? Third 2010 says XD.
I'm already running out of room on this one. I still I'm gonna have to make more of these. I don't currently have enough filament to make more of these. Actually, no, there's plenty of space. I just need to move everyone around. I've got like weird empty spaces. I just need to fill them up with.
AZ_floof says more rainbow. Heck yeah laughing smiley. Prank House says time for a plaque with board camera.
Right. I agree. If I ever have a full Mellow Labs that isn't a 2 meter squared corner of a room, we have 7 foot by
Come says give this brain a home. Joseph Taylor says digital replica of the plaque board.
we have
2010
7
says,
by
"How is
6
your
foot.
PC
That's
doing?"
how big the current Mellow Labs is. And it's not.
Third 2010 says is it loud? AZ
How is it?
underscore floof says and a camera that's a thermal imaging camera pointing at whatever project you're working on,
Okay,
laughing smiley.
okay. I do want this. I have an idea. I want to redo my whole desk. I'm gonna have this cool swinging camera arm, which is gonna have a top-down view, and it's also gonna have my microscope on it. And also, I have a thermal imaging camera. It's just sucky to use. But yes, I would love like a telescoping arm that I can just like bring out, and I can have like zoom in, and I can have like thermal imaging. I want all that. I'd love all that. I don't have money for a new desk. Still not working.
AZ underscore floof says at Joseph Taylor hosted on a website on an ESP32, fed back into OBS as a source window for on-screen overlays, laughing smiley.
So this doesn't work. Big sad. Like not even the power on LED comes on. So that's not good.
Prank House says I will add the digital plaque board to the to-do list.
I need to have a look at this to-do list. I just want to see the comical size of this to-do list. Also, don't forget to make it look pretty. We don't want an ugly looking interface.
Third 2010 says Pyro is living his life.
Indeed. I mean, Pyro's trying to live his life, but he is interrupted by my streams and the never-ending list of things to add to the to-do list. I am waiting for the day where I get a notification on my phone saying Pyro has cancelled his Patreon subscription. I won't be mad. I'll understand. Also, Patreon doesn't actually give me notifications for when people leave. Okay. My hands are very oily.
Prank House says I'll add it to the to-do list.
What? Unsubscribe to my Patreon?
Prank House says Patron integration.
Well, I feel like I went wrong somewhere, but I cannot tell where.
Third 2010 says I think the chat should say every time someone left Patron XD.
better idea. I have a little. I put, in addition to the LEDs, I add a little solenoid,
AZ_floof says now this is going perfectly,
and
laughing smiley.
every time somebody just like leaves, they just like they just pop off. Right? Good idea. We're gonna need a lot of solenoids. Everyone
Bitcom
leaves, just
says
the whole
nice.
board refreshes itself.
Prank House says person has unsubscribed on Patreon. YTFP Chris said. Would make a nice necklace.
YPFP Chris.
Third 2010 says automated command. Pyro unsubscribed from Patreon. Shame yourself. Prank House says again, person has unsubscribed on Patreon. Mello is now very sad. Prank House says good job, you made Mello cry.
I'm not cry, I big boy.
Aww.
AZ_floof says libvolsob. Third 2010 says subscribe to Patreon or Mello will die of depression.
Less likely depression, more likely starvation and homelessness.
Ari_boyfriend says you could modify some glasses to automatically release onion steam into your eyes when someone unsubscribes from Patreon. Third 2010 says even better. Mello will Dewey from capacitor.
I mean, the glasses actually sounds like an interesting idea that I could do. What would I call them? DIY cry glasses. DIY crybaby glasses. Cry on demand smart glasses. DIY.
Prank House says I shared the latest to-do list on Discord, tongue poking smiley.
No, you didn't.
Third 2010 says every time someone subscribes to Patreon a capacitor will explode. Joseph Taylor says chat command
That I
cry
can do.
glasses.
I can do
Chewy,
that.
Onion, soap. Prank House says yes I did.
Oh, you did. Oh, that's not so many. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I love how vague the fire is. I'm pretty sure I can get Patreon to send me like webhook or something when somebody subscribes. So I can definitely blow up. I can make one of those relay guns for that Electro
Prank
Boom
House
made.
says but I forgot to add around 10 other tasks XD.
Can make one of those revolver capacitor shooters. I think this could work. Okay, good news. We've reached the goal of having 5 people chatting at the same time. Somehow, we have not reached the goal of 50 followers.
AZ_floof says just noticed you have the yellow vice. I have that one too, laughing smiley.
It's very good.
Prank House
Very
says we
good
could add
standby.
that to the Buy Me a fee. When someone donates X amount, it will shoot cap.
Yes. Yes, we can. So for some reason, we did not reach 50 followers yet. I've tried refreshing this, but we have not yet
Frank
reached
House
50
says he'll add it
followers.
to the to-do board.
We have, however, streamed for 8 hours, hip hip, 4 different days, and almost an average of 3 viewers. I just need you guys to tune in more often when I'm streaming. And then, not so bad.
AZ_floof says I'm 3 followers away.
We can do that. That's okay. We're quite an average of 75 viewers. 2 point. Just okay. We're almost there, but we still need to get to that.
AZ_floof says Mellow, you need to get on Bluesky too and post so I can repost laughing smiley.
I don't. Okay, I don't like any kind of written media. Mostly, I'm very dyslexic. Reading and writing. This is why I use text to speech for my chat. Reading and writing, I don't like it. I don't do it. I don't participate. I don't want to be involved in it. In honesty, I think we should make it illegal. It's very gross.
AZ_floof says I get you.
So, Twitter, Blue Sky, X, Elephant. I forget. No, what was the other one?
Exist.
Mm.
The 2010 says tried to modern air quality sensor. Got the magic smoke sad smiley.
But did the sensor detect the magic smoke?
Words are hard LOL.
English is the most annoying language for reading and writing. Some words are exactly the same, yet others are spelled slightly differently. But dyslexia does not appreciate.
Bitcom says I appreciate.
On the next stream, since I'm running out of stuff to disassemble, we're going to disassemble my computer until the live stream stops. Yes?
The 2010 says try German. Photovoltaic Lage. It means solar system.
I mean, Polish is not that far away from German. That said, I can't read or write Polish either. But I feel like, spelling-wise and logically, it makes more sense.
Bitcom says that's a specific word for a specific thing. Ari_boyfriend
Exactly.
says English is weird and difficult indeed.
Exactly. Exactly. German has, like, words for very
Joseph
specific
Taylor
things.
Says two.
Like being a house shitter. Thank you, TikTok, for not TikTok, Instagram Reels for recommending that one to me. Like, I'm very glad that German has a very specific word for somebody who can only poop at home. That makes sense to me. Spelling wood and wood does not make sense to me.
Prank House says there. Bitcom
Exactly.
says identify it with descriptive words. English feels very nondescript.
Don't like it. It doesn't make sense. I say we just forget about the written language altogether and just do voice notes. Just everybody voice notes. That does kind of get rid of deaf people though, so Maybe my
Joseph
plan
Taylor
needs-
says bye.
Exactly. They sound exactly the same. Wow. It's pretty nice
YTFP
looking
Chris
capacitors on here.
said. Yellow Vice. Miami Vice. YTFP Chris said.
I'm glad we now are just pointing out the flaws in the English language. Why is Miami Vice called Miami Vice? Okay, cable, don't.
Joseph Taylor says site.
Either proving my point. Let us get rid of this obscure language. Let's just go back to Latin. I don't know any Latin.
Ari_boyfriend says English is still pretty easy to learn because almost everyone is constantly exposed to it.
Exactly.
Most movies, music, internet, etc. is English. You
I
get
agree.
enough exposure even in non-English speaking countries.
I mean, I pretty much just...
Floof says one of my favorites is knowing read and lead rhyme and read and lead rhyme, but read and read don't rhyme and neither do lead and lead. And TTS is gonna absolutely ruin this LOL.
Nope, everybody remember orange door hinge. I will never let anybody forget orange door hinge.
Third 2010 says need to do my daily Duolingo.
He's dead now, you don't have to. Can't come after you.
Bitcom says I find nothing wrong with orange door hing. Bitcom says E. Third 2010 says I have to. My streak is over 700 days. Get Lifty says I have returned. Is the printer still in one piece?
Yep. Which language are you learning? Is it English? We're talking about the idiosyncrasies with English.
Bitcom says Mellow Labs is the printer now. Third 2010 says Spanish.
Nice. Mi amo es Mellow.
Get Lifty says IOUIOUII. Prank House says at Bitcom aren't we all a printer?
Perfect. Get Lifty immediately understood the assignment.
Third 2010 says Habla Singles. Bitcom says we are all printer now. Ari_boyfriend says Mellow, have you tried auto dubbing of your videos on YouTube?
Yes, I have. It is
Joseph Taylor says always
interesting.
Savaloy, guess my county.
The auto dubbing is quite funny. I really wish they had a Polish dub, only because my mum would actually watch my videos.
Get Lifty says T North.
I didn't expect them to put a ring on this one, but they did. So technically, this is a servo motor. I mean, if I kept it on this carriage, that would have been useful. Okay, I'm going to keep this aside. I kind of want to see if I
says
can get
another
that to
of my
work.
favorite things is knowing adjectives in English absolutely have to be in this order: opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose, noun. So you can have a
Oh,
lovely
I left
little
my-
old rectangular green French silver whittling knife.
Just realized
But
this
if you
whole
mess
time
with
I've left
that
this.
word order in the slightest, you'll sound like a maniac.
Goody. I love that Pyro is the only person
Recognize
ever
beach.
changing it.
Bitcom says look at all those beautiful pieces ready to become something else.
Look at all those chickens. I don't think this camera's looking at what it's supposed to be looking at. Can you?
Ari_boyfriend says I have both streams running next to each other. And for a moment you were both looking at each other because of the lag, lol.
Sorry, I didn't mean to do a Jimmy Carr laugh. Is his name Jimmy? I remember it's Carr, mostly because Brum Brum, but I think it's Jimmy. Wow.
If all goes well.
This is a very strange RGB LED. Look at the shape and size of this LED.
Prank House says and now my favorite sound.
How the f do I use this? You'll never live that down. The funny thing is, most of the people here have no idea what that is. Where did I put my multimeter? Is it behind me? Am I sitting on it? No. Oh, it's here. I will use the diode tester mode, which I now know exists.
Get Lifty says I like to pronounce multimeter like altimeter to confuse people. Joseph Taylor says it was worth the journey.
Green. Blue. Ah, damn it, I need the,
Ari_boyfriend says a lot of suffering went into that sound effect. Get Lifty says green, blue, dead short.
red, blue, green. Rugga LED, rugga LED.
Prank House says and a little 3D printing.
You Just a little bit of 3D printing. See, if I put that back in, and then I play around with the LED, it's almost like it still works. See? It's almost like like I never disassembled it. Rave stick. Oh, you guys can't quite see that. Rave stick. God damn it. It's really hard to hold on to. Rave stick. Oh, fuck. Rave stick.
The 2010 says, what is the max you have run your 3D printer? In millimeters a seconds.
Yes. Whatever default is. I don't run my printers faster than, I don't know. Most of the time I just use the Prusa that's on my desk. Ow. The other printer. I got to like I don't know. I don't mess around with speed printing. I just want it to print. As long as it's not like dead slow, I don't care. It's a tool for me.
The 2010 says, try 300 millimeters a second. It's really fun even on my cheap printer.
Thank you. Thank you for telling me. I won't. I'm going to continue doing what I'm doing, which is dragging files into the slicer and clicking presets and clicking slice. And that's it. Why did they put dust covers on these? Oh wait, no. I think this was like directly underneath the... No, it wasn't.
Bitcom says, speed is nothing without acceleration. Joseph Taylor says, do you have it set up on Prusa Connect?
Yes, I do. You're gonna
Get
try
Lifty
sending
says the
something to my
first
brother.
25% of 3D printing as a hobby is refusing to tune it, then it's 50% wanting to tune it, then the last 25% goes back to refusing.
Yeah, exactly. I'm at the bottom end of that bell curve, because I had an Ender 3. I tuned the shit out of my Ender 3, and then I was like, oh, my Ender 3 shit now, because I overtuned it, and now I don't mess with my printers. The only reason I'm still running Clipper on my other printer is mostly for convenience. It's just nicer to have. Well, first of all, I've already set it up, and it's nicer to just be able to drag and drop
Joseph Taylor
files.
says, I'm glad you've left the mini mostly as is LOL. Bitcom says, top speed on small parts won't ever achieve top speed, no mention of acceleration or jerk.
Yeah, I don't do enough. I don't want to touch it. It works, and I like the way it works. I'm not touching it. I'm gonna have to print a new carriage for this, because this one kind of sucks. But the belt's nice. I need a carriage that won't do that. Ooh. think I'm getting tired. It's been a long day. Oh, I didn't open the power supply yet. Well, I guess we're continuing. Nope, wrong one. Yeah.
Daisy_proof says E.T. Bean. Laughing smiley.
Indeed. Hey Joseph, did you check Instagram today?
Ari_boyfriend says I also modded my ender to death. It was really awesome and I had all the right mods, but then I wanted swappable print heads and had moved the position of the y-axis. It was never the same after that and eventually I gave up on it.
They welded this shut.
Joseph Taylor says yes, I replied.
Oh, I didn't notice because my phone is over here. This is why I need a second camera, so I don't have to use my phone.
Joseph Taylor says don't show on stream.
No.
Prank House says he'll have to leave. Thank you for the great stream.
My thoughts exactly. Goodbye, Pyro. Thank you for sticking around for as long as you have. I'll probably be maybe streaming tomorrow on Twitch. No promises though. I might be recovering. I can't get into this. I can't be bothered. I think I'm actually just too tired.
AZ_floof says take care, Pyro. Laughing smiley. 3.
Please be wide
Bitcom
enough.
says
Please
I
be
learned
wide
a lot.
enough.
Thank you.
Please be wide enough. Yes.
Joseph Taylor says Matt Gray is live on Twitch. You could raid him after.
Matt Gray?
Boyfriend says Prank House was Pyro the whole time.
Okay. Yeah, I'm done with this. I'm tired. We're gonna raid Matt. We're going to raid Matt. Hold on. First, I need to find his stream because I didn't know he even has a Twitch. Nobody leave. Don't you dare. We're going to raid a cool person.
Get Lifty says this
Twitch.
is either gonna go horribly or amazingly.
Hopefully both. Amazingly horribly.
Get Lifty says can you even raid without affiliate?
Yes.
AZ_floof says that name rings a bell. Is that Tom Scott's friend?
Yes.
Joseph Taylor says yeah. AZ_floof says yeah, laughing smiley.
Don't know how to fucking breathe properly.
Matt Gray, yes.
Get Lifty
Oh, he's
says
playing
Tom Scott's
Civilization.
friend is a little insulting, haha. AZ_floof says
It is a
mystery
little.
busque for footits. Ari_boyfriend says the guy with the messy hair.
Yes. He's playing Civ. I like Civ. I might actually watch this.
Could go here.
Okay. We need to figure out how to rate.
Just try and cover an entire way across the map.
Get Lifty says Civilian 6 is a very good game.
I have Civilian 6. It is a very good game.
There.
It's another one of those games I spent way too much time playing. Okay. Why my heart is beating?
AZ_floof says at Get Lifty that's all I know him from Libble Giggle.
Choose some.
How do I rate?
Right, that's what I was trying to work out. What do I want to do here? I've just built
Wait,
a merchant.
Review recent raids? No.
Um,
Clear chat.
could build a wonder.
Requests. How do I raid?
I feel
Does
like I should
anybody
get a
know?
Building, right?
Ari_boyfriend
The more
says raid
buildings I get,
anxiety.
the more quickly I can make anything else. This is saying about like more food and stuff or more production. I don't know how much food I've got. Oh, that's how much food I've got, isn't it? But don't
Okay,
know
I
how
might
much-
actually have to Google this because I have no idea how to raid.
AZ_floof says probably. Streamer's
Pay for
first raid
boxes is
laughing
on the
smiley.
Wander. I've already got a Wander. I just built one around here. Is that the Wander? Yeah, that's
Joseph
the Wander.
Taylor says type /raid then name.
These are all pretty quick
Ari_boyfriend says we can
boy.
hear him talk about food.
This is giving me lots
You said
of
under,
stuff and it's only
in my
Get
chat or
Lifty
in
says
his
in this
chat?
chat.
That's
right.
it. It does have to be attached to this.
I'm glad Get Lifty had the same thing.
Get Lifty says else it could be very awkward. Joseph Taylor says yes your chat.
Okay.
Okay. A trade route.
Me and Matt
to-
said okay at the same time.
Ari_boyfriend says can't you just
something.
point the
So
camera at
what I
your screen
understand
so we
now
can
is
watch him from
I
here.
go there, and then when I'm there, I can
AZ_floof
establish
says what's the
trade.
raid message gonna be?
Oh no, there needs to be a raid message? Okay, let's
Well, maybe
compose.
Taxes?
Everybody
Tax-
compose.
I don't know. Can I tax on this? Let's get some extra science. Hello, your people are open to a policy change.
Raid channel. This channel. Did I do that?
Ari_boyfriend says I'm nervous.
Me too.
AZ_floof says Dino dance
I
mela
don't-
raid.
I don't
Dino
know if I'm
dance,
doing
Dino
this right.
dance.
Oratory.
Find someone to
Priesthood.
raid.
I don't like the sound
Get
of
Lifty
priesthood.
says I
Let's
would
go
be
for
worried
oratory.
about him
That's
just not
chatting a lot,
noticing
isn't it?
lol.
He will. He'll notice.
Go.
AZ_floof says, name in progress.
I like
Who are
mellow
you?
rave. We'll do mellow
What are you up
rave.
to?
I can't do Dino dance though.
I was going to settle over here. Have I not sent you to the right place?
I'm double checking on Google to make sure I know how to raid.
I'm intrigued by that being kind of blocked off, but hey.
AZ_floof says everyone can copy paste that laughing smiley. Dino dance
Oh,
is a global
diplomatic
emote.
action. Start a farmer's market? Fuck yeah. Is that the most middle class thing I
Get
could
Lifty
have
says
said?
I'm getting nervous and I am not even the streamer.
Review recent raids.
Right,
AZ
well,
underscore
quick.
floof says
Salt
same
pit is
XD.
Quick. Go.
AZ_floof says excited also laughing smiley.
I remember. Yeah, there was a button for this.
Ari_boyfriend says are you
Oh,
going
shit,
to
no,
do a
it's gone
countdown so
quick,
we
aren't
can
they? I'm
strap
gonna
in
get
and
mine.
hold our chairs?
Yes.
Joseph Taylor says check Discord.
Check Discord. I'm checking
Get
Discord.
Lifty says what if he has it disabled?
I don't. You can have it disabled. Why would you
stay
want?
neutral.
Why would you disable it?
Right,
Why would
you.
you not want free viewers?
Yeah.
AZ_floof says yeah the raid will generate a countdown.
I mean, worst case scenario,
Do that.
we okay.
Or you.
Thank you.
unpack.
I'm gonna click send to the message. Fingers crossed.
Can I just unpack you?
Invalid username.
Why aren't you unpacking?
We're gonna try that again. I think
Unpack.
because he has
Why do I have
capitals
to
in
say where
his.
to?
AZ_floof
In his
says if his
username.
raid is disabled I think he
That's
just
there.
won't show up.
Probably.
Not sure. Get Lifty says anticlimax
Okay, I
and a
can't
half.
settle on that move.
Trying again.
We've got a merchant start a trade route.
Yes. Setting time is
Cool.
do not allow you
Oh,
to
got
raid
stuff.
this time.
Ari_boyfriend says this is so thrilling I'm going to have a heart
Matt Grace settings
Civic
do not allow you
ones.
to raid at
Oh, wait,
this
I can't
time.
pick them. Is it economic I can pick?
That is
Get Lifty says called it. Ari_boyfriend
Yeah,
says
that one,
lame.
I can pick that. Great. Next.
well. What do we do now?
Oh god, how have I become Jeremy Clarkson?
AZ_floof says yeah so it lets you know.
I've never
Well, now we need
punched
to find
anyone
someone
for
else to
steak.
raid.
Ari_boyfriend says all that excitement for
Settler.
nothing.
Tell me about it. I'm as disappointed as you are.
My. Stop your growth. Grow town. Oh, we can grow.
Joseph Taylor says go and spam him to enable raiding. AZ_floof
Matt,
says
can
look
you
in
do
the
me a
science
favour
check
and
category
enable
for someone
raiding on your
working
channel?
Something cool laughing smiley.
and enable
Which way
raiding.
I want to grow to
Raiding.
block them off?
AZ_floof says no cause then heal
Wait,
no
it's got some
lol.
resource on it. Hey, that does join up the two though. Good.
Let's
Okay,
see
fine.
if he gets the message.
Can you enable raiding on your channel? I thought it was. Are you about to raid me? One sec.
Yes, he's doing it. He's doing it.
Where on earth is that setting?
Get
With all of
50 says
10
are you
viewers.
about to raid me so subtle guys? Ari_boyfriend says it's happening.
It's gonna happen, guys.
Now this is an exciting part of the stream.
Nothing better than digging around in the settings.
Things.
Get Lifty says
Nothing
now we
better
have two
than digging
streamers
around
trying
in
to
the
figure
settings.
upgrades.
Midstream.
Joseph
Right,
Taylor
right,
says got
right,
that double
right.
nose pick going on. AZ_floof says INB4 he's in followers only XD. AZ_floof says or there's parole's tongue poking smiley.
I should be raidable now.
He should be raidable. He should be raidable. I'm going back into my chat.
Joseph
Okay,
Taylor
I'm
says go
back.
go go.
Hold on.
Ari_boyfriend says
Hey,
countdown.
I've lost the
is This
message.
game easy to get into. I'm struggling, but I'm getting there. I'll be honest.
Fudge.
Um,
I'm trying. I'm
definitely been a little
trying
bit
to
of a
copy
struggle
his username. It's very annoying.
I think.
My heart's pumping again.
Ari_boyfriend says I'm strapped in.
Let's go,
Get
boys.
Lifty says what if he has slow mode?
YOLO. Matt Gray's settings do not allow you to raid at
From
this
what people have
time.
been saying in the comments, this game is not refined yet, so a different version of Civilization may be a
AZ_floof says
better
the
one
raid
to
message will
get
still
into.
work. Just post it once laughing smiley. AZ_floof says Dino dance mellow raid.
It won't
Dino
let
dance
me.
Dino dance.
It won't let me.
What do I want? Military training. Have I got navigation?
Ari_boyfriend says my heart is too weak for this shit.
Navigation. What does that give me?
Get Lifty says it's getting more stressful and awkward
Yeah, no,
by
it
the
just
minute.
won't let me.
Choose a production.
It just keeps saying. It just keeps saying no.
AZ_floof says we got this. We all got this. We can do
just
this
keeps
together.
saying no. We might all just have to go there.
New electronics category means tech is new.
Ew, an ad. Gross.
Get Lifty says this reminds me of when I met Matt in person. Equal levels of stress.
True. Yeah, it won't let me. I don't get it. Computer says no, everyone.
Ari_boyfriend says can we just go over and pretend to have raided him instead?
We might have to. We might have to. Okay, I'm gonna grab the link to his. Although wait, because he's currently in the middle of an ad. So wait.
Get Lifty says I don't know if I can bring myself to do that.
If everybody just say Metal Labs rave, it's fine. We'll manage. We'll manage. We'll everybody prepare your message. Okay, wait. Is my ad over yet? Oh my god.
Ari_boyfriend says rave or raid.
I've got 10 seconds left on an ad. This chat's very active considering my last message is not gone through. It hasn't. It's still there. Okay.
Get Lifty says oh god I have an ad.
Okay, go.
There, is that better? Just get in the army. Get in the army. Get in the army. Raid's still not working. Oh, maybe it only applies between streams. Manually raiding.
Yay! We did it. Finally. Okay.
Well, hello.